this exercise, yesterday, Mandre police station has arrested one Israeli national called Yaakov Naor. He is around 28 years old, and from his possession we found dried mushrooms, another drug called psilocybin, and ganja. These drugs qualify under the commercial quantity, and relevant section of the NDPS Act have been invoked, and we are interrogating him to get more details about from where he had gotten the supply of these drugs, so that necessarily backward and forward linkages can be established. Now, if you have any more questions, you can ask. We are estimating that the total value of this drug in the international market is around 9 lakh rupees. Yes.
So only one person involved or many more are involved in this?
All this is right now part of investigation, and we have gotten 7 days of police custody from the Honorable Court, and we will be interrogating him on all these aspects of from where he got this and where was he planning to sell it. But from our initial investigation, what it has revealed that they were using dark web to sell these to procure these drugs and sell these drugs. तो अभी इसके अंदर ये इतना ही निकल के आया अभी तक की हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में, और जैसे भी आगे आगे हमें जानकारी मिलती जाएगी हम आपके साथ ऐसे शेयर करते हैं.
So you said this is new kind of drug.
This is not a very common drug which is found in recent seizures have happened in Goa, and we are also exploring whether in the past who were the criminals who were involved in selling these drugs, so that we can establish some linkages. उस पर भी काम चल रहा है.
So based on the rarity of this drug, you are trying to establish link with previous.
What I am saying is that we are exploring previously who the criminals who we have arrested under NDPS Act who were also dealing with such kind of drugs. उनको भी हम इंटेरोगेट कर रहे हैं और उनसे भी हम निकाल रहे हैं ताकि some linkage can be established whether any common source is there.
Thank you.
क्राइम रेट जो है जो रिलीज हो गए बार-बार 2 दिन हो गए. कल का एक केस है अंदरूनी में और मासा में से नेशनल केस जो हुआ है एक्टिव जो है अभी तक कम नहीं है दोनों केस में.
देखिए जो दोनों क्राइम हुए हैं इसके अंदर हमारी स्पेशल टीम फॉर्म हो गई है और बहुत ही जल्द आपको इनका पॉजिटिव एक रिजल्ट मिलेगा, and we are very close to working out these cases, and we will soon share with you all the information.
Thank you.
But इसके अंदर कुछ some press people have interpreted these as gang rivalries. इस तरीके से इसमें कुछ भी अभी तक हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निकल के नहीं आया. जिन्होंने क्राइम किया they have all been identified, and teams have been formed, and very soon we will be able to catch them.
तो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लगाई इसकी वजह से वायलेशन की वजह से किसी को अरेस्ट किया है सर? कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट
अभी तक एक केस हमने कोड वायलेशन के खिलाफ किया है. एक फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड ने एक कंप्लेंट दी थी मांद्रे पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर. उसी कंप्लेंट को हमने कॉग्निसेंस लेते हुए उसके ऊपर एक FIR दाखिल की है. So only one case has so far been reported in whole of Northeast.
Sir, how old is the accused and since how long he was staying in Goa?
How old is the accused and since how long he was
So the accused is around 27 years old, and he's been staying in Goa for last. He recently come to Goa from Bangalore. अभी ही आया था वो गोवा, from Bangalore से अभी आया था. और जी
means of transport, like how he had come to Goa?
सारी चीज़ें हम इनसे 7 दिन की हमने इनसे कस्टडी ली है कोर्ट से, तो इन सब चीज़ों पर डिटेल में उनसे इंटरोगेशन किया जाएगा और कुछ उसमें हम सारी चीज़ें उनसे पूछेंगे।
ड्रग का नाम क्या बोला? साइक्लोसिबिन।
वो अभी मैं आपको एग्जैक्ट लिखवा देता हूँ नाम, पर एग्जैक्ट जो अभी हमारे पास सूचना है वो ये है कि इट इज़ 136 grams of dried mushroom and 132 grams of psilocybin, and also ganja, 140 grams of ganja.
थैंक यू सर।
एक उसमें
दे दो